Hey friends, Susan here with Pumpkin and Stampers. We have sketch number 49 today. We're crafting with the Masterfully made DSP, and I've paired it with Berry Burst and Fresh Freesia, so a two-tone monochromatic card base. So to start, we're using 3 pieces of scrap paper from previous projects. The first one we're gonna save out 3 1/4 by 1 3/4. The second one's 3 1/4 by 1 1/2, and the third one is 3 1/4 by 1. Okay, so we're going to cut our Fresh Freesia down for a mounting panel. Then we're going to stamp on one piece of the scrap with our sentiment with Berry Burst ink. I use Charming Sentiments. So here are the pieces we're going to use for our project, and you can get all the cutting descriptions and details on my mini tutorials. To start the card, we need to fold and score it at the halfway mark. Then we're going to add our 3 DS panels with our liquid adhesive to the Fresh Freesia panel. Now I put the largest one on first, then the center one, then the one to the left. And you can see I put it together one way, but then I flipped it over on my card. It's your card, make it your way. Then we're going to add our sentiment. I use liquid adhesive and I went across the 3 panels of DSP. Then I use some of our tinsel gems to just dress it up a little bit. So there's our final project. Kind of simple, a good way to use up those scrap pieces that might be odd sizes, and you never know what you might come up with. This one kind of surprised me, so I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you can subscribe to the channel or my newsletter, leave me a comment or a thumbs up, those are always appreciated, and I hope again to share with you another project real soon. Have a great day and happy stamping!